Hello, my name's Anne Baxter and I live in Devon, and today we're going to work on Faded Flag, which is this Union flag that I've worked into this cushion here. And I've called it Faded Flag because I've used some rather faded fabrics rather than the traditional red, white and blue, so it's got a rather sort of seaside-y faded look to it. It's worked in 4 foundation pieced units, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then sashed together with this little floral fabric across here and then embellished with a heart that I've appliqued on afterwards. Be really careful with the pressing, that you don't press little creases into it. It's very easy to press in little tucks, and we want to make sure that that doesn't happen.